Dear students, this is Dev's Academy. Subscribe this channel and press the bell icon. Today you will get some important questions and their answers from biology. This is structure of chromosome and cell division, etc. Here the first question is, what are chromosomes? The answer is, chromosomes are the highly condensed chromatin fibers. Question number 2, what is centrosome? Answer is, each centrosome consists of two arms. This is centrosome. Centrosome consist of two arms called chromatids, which are joined at some point along the length called centromere or the primary constriction. Next question, what is satellite chromosome? Chromosomes having a satellite that serves as maker chromosome called satellite chromosome. Question number 4, what is chromatin? When interphase nuclei is dipped in 0.5 m solution of NaCl, shows a network of very long, extremely thin, dark staining fibers. These are chromatin fibers. Question number 5, what are nucleosomes? Nucleosomes are the complexes in which DNA wraps around a protein core of 8 histone molecules. Nucleosomes are 10 nanometer (nm) in diameter. So question number 6, what are histones? Histones are the basic proteins around which DNA 200 BP winds. Describe the structure of DNA. Rosalind Franklin and Watson Crick proposed the double helical structure of DNA composed of two complementary strands wound around each other in a double helix. Question number 8, what is the composition of DNA? DNA is composed of repeating nucleotides, which are shown in the following schematic view. In red ink it is given. Follow this. Next question, number 9, what is replication? Replication is a process by means of which new DNA is synthesized by copying of complementary, that is template, strand of duplex DNA. What are genes? Genes are specific sequences of nucleotides on a chromosome that encode particular protein which express in the form of some particular feature of the body. Question number 11, what do you mean by cell cycle? Every cell is capable of cell division, passes through different stages or phases in a cyclic manner. It is called a cell cycle. Note that here the A means adenosine, C means cytosine, U uracil, G guanosine, and T thymidine. This is about DNA. I will give you some more such type of questions and answers that you will follow. That's all today.